In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images from the library in Shopify. Keeping your Shopify file library clean and organized is really important. Old product photos, outdated banners, or duplicate images can clutter your account and make it harder to find what you actually need. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process of deleting images from your Shopify file library, step by step, so you can free up space and stay organized. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of sections that help you manage different parts of your store. Here, you want to find the section labeled Content. Go ahead and click on Content. When you do this, a few more options will appear underneath it. From those options, click on Files. This is where Shopify stores the images and other media you've uploaded to use across your store. After clicking on Files, you'll be taken to a page that shows a list of all your uploaded files. This includes images for products, collections, pages, blog posts, and even some theme assets that you may have added manually. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the image or images you want to delete. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find specific file names or keywords. This can really speed things up if your library is large. Next to each file on the left side, you'll see a small hollow checkbox. When you found an image you want to remove, click on that hollow box to select it. You can select just one image, or you can click several checkboxes if you want to delete multiple images at once. This is useful when you're doing a big cleanup and want to remove a batch of old or unused files. As soon as you select at least one file, a Delete File button will appear at the top of your file list. Go ahead and click on Delete File. Shopify will then show a pop-up window asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the selected files. This is a safety step to help prevent accidental deletions, because once a file is deleted, any places that use that image may stop displaying it correctly. If you're sure you no longer need those images, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Delete. After you confirm, Shopify will remove those files from your library. You should see them disappear from the list, and they'll no longer be available for use in your store's content. And that's all you need to do to delete images from your library in Shopify.